Prissa.
Ask her what she's doing.
Prissa, what you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on, Prissa. Come on, Prissa.
Are you stuck?
You stuck?
Pris?
Are you stuck?
What matter? Are you stuck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you stuck? What's the matter? She's gonna bark. Come here, baby. How'd you get back there? Should I help her?
No. I wanted to get
Come
out.
here. Let me help her.
No. Just, she can get out. Come on. Come on, Prissa. Here she goes. She's going to try again.
I'm gonna just make sure it doesn't hurt her.
What's going to hurt her?
If it flips up and hits her in the face.
No, that won't hurt her.
Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. You're taking